for beginners is no less than aligning a Rubik's cube. या फिर आप ये कह लीजिए विक्रम और बेताल में बेताल के सवालों की तरह सर घुमाओ. With people making bumper of profits from stock market this year, investment for beginners is seeing new heights of desperation and nervousness. जैसे कभी भी विक्रम बेताल के सवालों से नहीं डरा, उसी तरह आपको भी बाजार के नाम के भूत अंकल को अपने दिमाग से निकाल के फेंकना होगा. So let us find out how you can invest your first 1 lakh rupees in stock market and how can you build your stock portfolio for beginners in India. I know you must be very anxious and nervous to get all these answers so that you can start investing now without losing any more time. Assuming that you already have a kitty of 1 lakh rupees, let us start this journey step by step. Before investing 1 lakh rupees, आपको अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट गोल क्लियर रखना होगा. मतलब आपको बाजार में माल कहाँ लगाना है और कितना लगाना है. ये कंफ्यूजन आपको बिल्कुल भी नहीं होना चाहिए, वरना दिमाग का दही बनना तो तय ही है. Simply put, investing for any beginners starts from the expected percentage return for the investment he or she has made. Generally, in today's scenario, it is reasonable to expect a return of about 12%. अब मैं आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट का एक फाड़ू रूल याद दिलाती हूँ. रूल नंबर 72. For example, in this case, our expected rate of return is 12%. So what you do is you simply divide 72 by 12. That is 6 years. That means your investment will get doubled up in 6 years. Investing for beginners 2021 is very simple, but it is not that easy because stock market is continuously seeing new heights, whereas the interest rates are continuously falling down. अगर आपको ज़्यादा रिटर्न कमाना है, तो आपको खिलाड़ी कुमार का फॉर्मूला अपनाना पड़ेगा. That is ज़्यादा स्टंट, ज़्यादा रिस्क और फिल्म हिट. नो रिस्क नो गेन का फंडा बाजार पे भी अप्लाई होता है. तो अगर आपको ज्यादा रिटर्न कमाना है, तो आपको रिस्क भी ज्यादा उठाना पड़ेगा. Risk appetite is an integral part for investing for beginners in 2021. So always remember, higher returns means higher risk too. Second step in how to invest your first 1 lakh rupees staircase is that you should not put all the eggs in one basket. अगर एक ही तिजोरी में आप सारा सामान डाल देंगे, तो फिर चाहे चोर हो या फिर इनकम टैक्स ऑफिसर, आपका माल बिल्कुल भी नहीं बचेगा. In simple words, your investment should be done in diversified sectors like golds, stocks, mutual funds, shares, etc. Even in case of shares, you need to make sure that you are making a diversified investment. You need to get insights into how to build a smart portfolio for beginners in 2021. As a part of smart portfolio management strategy, you need to make sure that you are making diversified investments and you are not putting all your money in just one sector. For example, you are not just putting money in auto sector. And if you are putting money in auto sector, you are not just putting everything into the stocks of Maruti. So, as a part of thumb rule, you need to make sure that you are not allocating more than 10% of your money in one single stock. Diversification helps you to stay in market for a longer duration and also earn much higher returns. So, with the amount of 1 lakh, you should at least buy 10 shares, but not more than 15. Next step here is to know what all stocks to buy or what should be a portfolio for beginners in India in 2021. As a part of thumb rule, 40% of the investment should be done in defensive stocks. That is, the stocks which do not show a major rise or fall in value. Generally speaking, the companies who have a stable demand or who show a consistent growth are considered to be defensive. The companies who are selling atta, tea leaves, sugar, dal, etc. One should invest in defensive stock when the prices of the share fall below 200-day moving average because generally the defensive stocks are highly priced. Those with slightly higher appetite, just like Tiger Shroff or Akshay Kumar, can always invest 40% of their money in aggressive stock. If you want to earn a higher return, तो आपको हमेशा बैटिंग फ्रंट फुट पे आके ही करनी पड़ेगी, फिर भले सामने बुमराह क्यों न हो. These stocks will rise sharply when there is a bull run in the market, and also they will see a sharp fall when the market corrects itself. As a beginner, you should always invest in aggressive stocks of larger companies. That is, the companies whose share prices move along the indices. Again, for stock picking, you need to make sure that you consider the 200-day moving average and also the past result of the companies over few quarters. The stock portfolio of the beginners in 2021 must be in the companies who have a larger market capitalization, lower debt burden, and also which have a higher return on capital employed. So, if a company's return on capital employed is 30%, it means that अगर आप 100 रुपए कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं तो आपको 130 रुपए मिलेंगे. इससे आपको ये पता पड़ रहा है कि क्या कंपनी आपके पैसों पे ऐश कर रही है या फिर आपको ऐश करवा रही है. So how to invest first 1 lakh rupees for beginners? That is where we started from. Now you already know where to invest your 80,000 or 80% of your total investment, and also the stock portfolio management. Now you should know that where to invest the remaining 20%. You should invest this remaining 20% to hedge your risk and invest in commodities like gold and silver. The prices of these commodities tend to remain stable. In fact, they rise when the stock market sees a fall. इसलिए, if you are an investor starting investing in 2021, you should not ignore this fact. Last but not the least, in how to invest your first 1 lakh rupees. That is, how to build your stock portfolio. आप चाहे तो खुद ही स्टडी करके अपने स्टॉक्स को बाय और सेल करके अपना पोर्टफोलियो बना सकते हैं, या फिर चाहे तो म्यूचुअल फंड्स का भी रूट इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. There are various categories of mutual funds depending upon the risk, returns, time bracket, sectors, market capitalization, etc. It all depends on your financial goals. Alternatively, आप किसी experienced बंदे की भी help ले सकते हैं in seeking guidance on how to invest your first 1 lakh rupees in stock market. पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो बनोगे नवाब. दादी का ये फंडा स्टॉक मार्केट में भी अच्छी तरीके से लागू होता है. इसलिए कभी भी पैसा भेड़ चाल में मत लगा देना. हमेशा अपने दिमाग की बत्ती ऑन रखना निवेश करने से पहले. This was the end of our today's video. I hope you liked our video. If you find our video useful, then do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to share it with your friends and colleagues. Till then, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.